Jalapeños and Cheese Twists recipe. If you're looking for a quick and delicious snack, these jalapeños and cheese twists are perfect. Buttery puff pastry combined with gooey melted cheese and a spicy jalapeno kick makes them a crowd favorite. Whether served as an appetizer, party snack, or even a side for soups and salads, these twists are guaranteed to impress. Ingredients: 1 roll puff pastry, ready-made or homemade, 1 cup pickled jalapeños, diced, 1 cup mozzarella cheese, shredded, 1 cup cheddar cheese, shredded, 50 g soft cream cheese, 1 egg for egg wash. Method: preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. Roll out the puff pastry on a lightly floured surface. Spread cream cheese over half of the pastry sheet. Sprinkle diced jalapeños evenly on top of the cream cheese layer. Add shredded mozzarella and cheddar cheese over the jalapeños. Fold the pastry sheet in half to cover the filling. Cut into 8 even strips using a sharp knife or pizza cutter. Twist each strip gently and place it onto the prepared baking tray. Brush with egg wash, then sprinkle extra cheese and a few jalapeno slices on top. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until golden brown and puffed. Serving suggestions: these cheesy jalapeno twists taste best when served warm. Pair them with sour cream dip, salsa, guacamole, or simply enjoy them on their own. Tip: you can adjust the spice level by reducing or increasing the jalapenos, or even mix in some chili flakes for an extra kick.